Ever found yourself lost in the endless scroll of social media, sizing up your life against the carefully curated highlight reels of others? It seems to be a snare that many of us stumble into, doesn't it? But what if I proposed that comparison is more than just a joy burglar? Imagine this scenario. You're ambling through life, nurturing your own garden of dreams and aspirations, when out of the blue, you catch sight of someone else's seemingly immaculate Eden. And just like that, comparison slithers in, pilfering your contentment and substituting it with envy. But here's the kicker. Juxtaposing your journey to that of others is akin to trying to insert a square peg into a round hole. It's simply a futile endeavor. Each one of us is embarking on our own distinct path, armed with our own set of trials and triumphs. Instead of assessing yourself against someone else's benchmark, why not applaud the victories of others? After all, their success doesn't undermine yours. It serves as an inspiration. When you divert your attention from comparison to celebration, something enchanting transpires. You begin to treasure the allure of your own journey, the unexpected twists and turns, the exhilarating highs, and the challenging lows. Because truth be told, life isn't a rivalry, it's a communal journey. So the next time that familiar sting of comparison begins to creep in, bear this in mind. Each individual blossoms in their own distinctive time and manner. Your journey is exclusively yours, and it's worth celebrating every single stride. Why not discard the comparison game and concentrate on thriving in our own unique gardens? Because when we boost each other up, we all shine brighter. Let's make the world a brighter place, one unique journey at a time.